Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture we will learn how to make different types of rectangle and centerline. So let's start. We will create a new geometry using Sketch. First go to New, Part, then OK. So this is our interface. We need to select a plane. Let's select Top Plane. And Sketch. Now go to Sketch section. Today we will learn how many types of rectangle are there. And how to draw a rectangle on the selected plane and centerline. So let's start with the rectangle. Below the Line tool, there is a one tool called Rectangle. If you click on the drop-down button beside Rectangle, you will see that there are many options like Corner Rectangle, Center Rectangle, 3-point Corner, 3-point Center Rectangle, and we will choose the Corner Rectangle. To draw a corner rectangle, just click any part of the plane and drag it and see a rectangle will be created. From any point you can create a rectangle. It is very easy. Now, just give whatever dimensions you want and that's it. Now, we will see another type of rectangle, that is, center rectangle. Center rectangle means whichever point we select will act as the center. Again, let's click on a point here, create a rectangle, and OK. See how easily a rectangle is created. From any point you can drag and to create a rectangle. These two are the most used rectangle command. Now we will see the third option, 3-point corner rectangle. This one is a little different from the other two. First select the corner point. Then the next point will define the length and the third point will define the breadth. Now your rectangle has been created. Let's create another one. Choose the corner, length and drag it in any direction and click to complete the rectangle. This is called the 3-point corner rectangle. Similarly, we have 3-point center rectangle. Select this. And we will select one center point. Then drag it up to another point and select the other center point and then the final one. Again, select the center point, then drag it to any place. And OK. Now this the rectangle created using 3 center points and the last one is a parallelogram. The parallelogram is quite interesting. Suppose you draw a line. Look how you can drag and drop in any direction. This is a parallelogram. Let's create another one. See, you can move around 360 degrees and draw any kind of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, both the side and equal and parallel just like a rectangle, but the angle between two consecutive sides isn't necessarily 90 degrees. Every rectangle is a parallelogram. OK. Select a few of these and delete to clear the screen. Now let's look at the centerline command. We have discussed this in our previous lectures. This is the center line. We use this type of line as a reference while creating our sketch. If you want to make a hole or any other feature, you will need to create a center line and use it for reference. Create a line. Let's make a rectangle using center lines. And exit. This is a reference line as it shows, for construction. We can also select this option, infinite length. Infinite means there is no start or end point for this line. Repeat the same for the second line and see, 2 axes have been created. This is how you can create axes for reference. Again go to center line. How we will create an axis at the center of this rectangle. And define dimensions. Click center point to center point and exit. Choose Smart Dimension. Select the centerline and one side of the rectangle and give the desired dimension. This is the main aim for creating a centerline. Just to locate the position of any element of the part. In the next video we will learn to create a circle. Thanks for watching this video, see you in the next one.